Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we are going to having a look on Nokia E71, and I have showed like E72, E5 and other things. I have also like E63, E5 and other those phones actually. I'll be reviewing soon those phones too. So this one is Nokia E71, and this one is actually not really in good shape, but it is working. So what we're getting with this device is that it is really built really strongly because it has a stainless steel frame, and also the back is also stainless steel, and it has a texture back there. Also, we are getting 3.2 megapixel back camera, and also we have flash. And if you want to take selfie, there is a mirror type thing, plastic thing, which can use for selfie purpose. And this one also has like all the sensors, like light sensor and other things. So, and also like display brightness, it can change automatically. And we have power button up here, the red color one, and we have speaker. And this one is something maybe infrared something, I don't know, I never used this feature. And we have micro USB and our micro SD card slot, and that an old trusty 2.5 maybe barrel jack to charge the phone. So one of the down point of this device actually, then E72, that E72 can be charged with micro USB cable, but this device cannot charge with micro USB cable. You need barrel jack to charge this phone. So this device actually is still working very fine. It was released in 2008. It has like 400 megahertz processor with 128 MB of RAM, and internal storage is 110 megabyte. And the display resolution is 320 by 240, which is similar to all the devices for Nokia E series mostly. Only E6 has like much higher resolution display, like 640 by 340 maybe that display. So this one also got Wi-Fi and other things, and the Wi-Fi and other things work just fine in RAM. And even you can make calls and text anywhere. So one of the good thing about this device is that it has like all the buttons for music control and other things. And one of the down point is it has like 2.5 mm jack. Maybe E72 also has like 2.5 mm jack. I don't know why they put that. Nokia E63 has 3.5 mm jack. So this is quite bad actually, but at the time maybe it was the standard one, and I'm talking about 2008 here. So let's go and check what we are getting with this device. So first of all, let's check our this is running on actually Symbian S60 V3 maybe. So this was the latest one for it. So as you can see here, it is running on 510, I don't know, and the latest software was 2011. It was updated, so it was released in 2008, and the software version here is 2011 maybe. So they give update at least 2 years for this phone. So quite good actually for this kind of old phone that they got update. And if we go here, there is nothing much to do here actually. And in stock ROM, you will not get any kind of apps here, not much actually. And I haven't installed any kind of like custom firmware on this device. It is a stock firmware. I'm looking for a custom firmware for this device, but I could not able to get one. So let's go and check our... Let's go to tools section and sync button. It has a lot of things actually, a lot of stuffs here, and it is quite smooth actually. It's running very well here in this device, although it has a very bad processor and other things, but it is quite good for Symbian. So let's go and check the ringtone here. Maybe, yeah. The sound quality is quite good on this device actually. Yes, sound quality is quite good. Even you can increase here. Maybe. And one thing about this kind of phone is that the voice call quality on this device actually really great. Even today's phone, like in my Android phone, I don't get this much clear voice like when I was calling to someone. So it's kind of really good to have like for calling. And you cannot do much on this phone, but you may able to install some few apps here, and you can play some games, because still you can download games for this device Although the Facebook app and Twitter apps does not work anymore, but we have Opera Mini here. So let's go first. We connect to our Wi-Fi and let's see we can use the browser or not. I have tried this device long time ago. Maybe okay. I don't really remember where is the Wi-Fi wizard. It's looking for the Wi-Fi and let's connect. Okay, it is connected. Maybe okay. So let's go Opera Mini. So Opera Mini is kind of slow in this device. It is much better in E72. Okay, let's go to Facebook. Can we go Facebook or not? We need to select our Wi-Fi. Okay. It takes time actually, although yes, it did work actually. So if you want to download some game, you can go to Waptrick.com. Let's go to Waptrick.com. One problem about this kind of devices nowadays, when you go to install any kind of apps or games, you get like certificate error. That is quite annoying, and you can get around that thing actually by using like hacked the phone, or you can install custom firmware, but it's really difficult to do now. Hacking phone is also difficult to do nowadays. It doesn't work that much. So let's go and download one games and let's try to run that one. My favorite game was actually Bouncy Tales, and also the MotoGP is one of my favorite games. Let's see. You can download MotoGP from here. Actually, it should be here. Let's search MotoGP. Maybe I have to click here. No. Okay, search button. The browser is quite slow actually. I have better experience with this kind of device like E72, E6 and E5. They do much better than this one. Maybe 63 also did much better. Okay, we are getting some. Let's go directly download like maybe racing games. They are not going alert zone here. If we go to yes, it should show us MotoGP because it is a really famous game here actually. We have car racing, yeah, MotoGP. This game actually has a lot of memories, and I have installed this game all of my devices almost. When I got my first Android device, Nokia, Samsung Galaxy Young, I have installed this game from Waptrick.com. Actually, I usually did not know that we can download apps from the store at the time. So I directly go to this website and download it because I used to download from this website and it did work actually. So, okay, they're showing us some ad. Let's go and try again. Takes a lot of time. Okay, finally the page is loading now. Let's go proceed to download. Okay, download MotoGP 2012 new. Stop and click. You can see that display is quite beautiful actually. It's not that bad, although it is 320 by 240 display, but it is quite good actually for the device from 2008, and it is actually very sharp display. Okay, proceed to download now. Open button. It is downloading now. Search hold on. Okay, activated. But it did not download that. Something going wrong. Okay. Yeah, it's downloading now. Oh yeah, this. It's a download. Let's try again. Because there was a download pending. That's why it did not work. Maybe this time it will work. Let's see. If it didn't work, don't work from here, maybe we have to browse directly from the stock browser which came with this device, which is really bad actually. revenue worse than Opera Mini. So let's go. Yes, I don't think it is going to download now. It's going to show any maybe. Okay, it's down. Finally, it's downloading. Finally, it's downloading now. So if you have this kind of device, maybe it's a bit difficult to install any kind of apps or games, but it is really good for calling and texting, and it can hold actually like the battery backup is really good on this kind of device. So we have downloaded and maybe it is installed here. So as you can see here, so just go and play this game. English sound. Quick race, 1 lap. So it's still working actually, no issue with this device. And we will check our camera too. This camera is actually really good with autofocus, 3.2 MP autofocus camera, which is really good actually. Nokia E72 has like 5 megapixel autofocus camera, which is also really good. It is better than some of the devices I have tried, like Lumia devices from Microsoft. Lumia devices is much better camera design. Yeah, it's working just fine. Let's go and check the camera. I have a shortcut here. So 3.2 megapixel camera, it says no, it's okay. Let's try to focus. Oh, it did not focus actually. Maybe we have to do something to focus. Okay, let's go turn on the frame capture chip on memory. This device is not focusing actually. For some reason I cannot focus, and the picture quality is really bad. There is some issue with the app maybe. Yeah, it cannot focus, although it says it has autofocus, so it doesn't work right now. Maybe the camera has some issue, but it is working actually. It is quite really good dumb phone. If you have like laying around, maybe you should try to use this kind of phone. So thank you very much for watching, and this is all about Nokia E71, and I will see you next time.